they've shared something that you've shared, you don't need to explain it much. Or that's why when you're sharing a story and you finish and the people you're talking to don't quite get it, the first thing we all say is, I guess you had to be there. I guess you had to be here this week to know what this is about. It's kind of hard to explain, isn't it? And for the sake of our research, I'm going to close by asking that you participate one more time in this language of experience. I'm going to filter through some languages. And if I'm speaking your language, I'm going to ask that you just stand and you stay standing. You don't need to ask permission. Just let me know that you see me and I can also see you if you speak this language of experience. Do you speak this language? When I was growing up in primary school, at the end of the year, we would have these parties, and we'd vote on whether we wanted to celebrate at an amusement park or a water park. And I would really hope the party wasn't at a water park, because then I'd have to be in a bathing suit. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I approach a dressing room, my sweat glands start activating on their own, because I know the garment is not going to look like it did on me, like it did on that mannequin. Or how about this? When I would go to family functions or family gatherings, every time I wanted a second plate, and I usually did, it was a whole exercise in cost-benefit analysis. My relatives looking at me like, I don't know, you really need that? Looks like you're doing okay there, bud. Did my cheeks have a big pinch me sign that I didn't see? And if you're squirming or you're laughing or you stood up, you're beginning to stand, you're speaking the language that I endearingly call the language of growing up a fat kid. And any body image issue is a dialect of that language. I want you to stay standing. Again, if I'm speaking your language, please go ahead and stand. Imagine two bills in my hand. One is